Sermon number 64. Decline and Destruction of this World. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. O creatures of Allah! Fear Allah and anticipate your death by good actions. Purchase everlasting joy by paying transitory things, pleasures of this world. Get ready for the journey, for you are being driven, and prepare yourselves for death, since it is hovering over you. Be a people who wake up when called, and who know that this world is not their abode, and so have it changed, with the next. Certainly, Allah has not created you aimlessly nor left you as useless. There is nothing between any one of you and paradise or hell except death that must befall him. The life that is being shortened every moment and being dismantled every hour must be regarded very short. The hidden thing, namely death, which is being driven to you by two over new phenomena, the day and the night, is certainly quick of approach. The traveler which is approaching with success or failure, namely death, deserves the best of provision. So acquire such provision from this world while you are here, with which you may shield yourself tomorrow, on the day of judgment. So everyone should fear Allah, should admonish himself, should send forward his repentance, and should overpower his desire, because his death is hidden from him, his desires deceive him. And Shaitan is posted on him, and he beautifies for him sin so that he may commit it, and prompts him to delay repentance till his desires make him the most negligent. Piety is for the negligent person whose life itself would be a proof against him, and his own days, passed in sin, would lead him to punishment. We ask Allah, the Glorified, that He may make us and you like one whom bounty does not mislead, whom nothing can stop from obedience of Allah, and whom shame and grief do not befall after death.